Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You know that it. You see everything. I don't know. No, I don't know. I know. You know my life. You see everything to the people. You destroy me. You destroy my life. You damage my life. I don't know the things going about you. You don't living about me. Why you know my secret? You see the thing, everything. You destroy me for the anytime. I don't know. I don't know. You know. You know my life. You destroy me to my enemies. I don't know. You know my life. You destroy me to my people. Oh, I don't say anything to you. Everything be time. Everything be time. I don't have to follow you. Nah. Waiting for the thing. No matter how it is, no matter how the thing's going about you, I have time to reply you back. Nobody knows. Nobody know me. I give you more time. I give you a chance. Think twice. I say think twice. The time will come. You can see the thing is going. I say I don't know you. I don't know you. You don't leave me. You destroy my artist. You damage me for the people. Ooh, I give you more time. See that you know, destroy me. I don't care. I'll reply you the time I like.